videos. This is LeeAnneVentures and welcome to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click that red button. And here I am again in the park. Their park, my park now. This is your park as well. Okay. No, park nila. Park ko na kasi palagi ako nandito. Now magiging park nyo na rin ito. Okay, so yun na nga. I think alam niyo na kung ano ang topic natin today. Ang topic natin today is about how I got lost here. Kasi it was very funny. Kasi bago pa lang ako nung time na iyon at hindi pa ako familiar sa mga places dito at saka hindi rin ako marunong mag-Thai. At that time, I was in Laos country to get my visa, my tourist visa to come to Thailand. And then when I came back, I thought I know already where my apartment was. Then I rode this songteo, they call it songteo, but it is equivalent to jeepney sa atin. Jeepney yun sa atin. Pero, I thought I know where to stop. I didn't notice na wala na pala. Lumampas na po, hindi ko na malayan. Tapos sabi ko, bakit iba na ito? I said, oh no, this one is different. I don't see any familiar buildings anymore. So I said, oh no, and that jeepney or that songteo will no longer go back the same road because last trip na yata yun. And it was, basta late na yun, late ng gabi, and I was very scared, I was terrified because, you know, hindi naman pag nawawala ka sa unfamiliar places, ano ba dapat ang mangyayari? Di ba matakot yun yung first thing na mafe-feel mo. So ngayon, sabi ko, oh no, is this still Ubon? You know, the place I asked. And at saka mahirap din ito mga kaibigan kasi hindi nila ako naiintindihan. Walang nakakaintindi sa akin. No, but, at saka I asked them in English because I don't know how to speak Thai at that time yet. Even a little. Mga 1 month pa lang yata ako dito nun eh. 1 month pa lang ako dito. So, hindi ko alam kung ano ang gagawin ko. Nagtanong ako sa katabi ko, hindi man ako naintindihan. Tapos, dun din sa kabila, sa right ko, hindi rin ako naintindihan. Sa front ko, hindi rin ako naintindihan. Tapos, bigla na lang, sabi, nag-uusap-usap sila ng Thai. Tapos, hindi ko sila naintindihan. And then, suddenly, one girl said, oh, are you speaking English? She said, and she asked me if, where's my house? And I said, oh, I don't know the place. I don't know my address. I cannot tell her my address. And I just told her that I know what's the closest building near my house. And she said, oh, this one is very far already from that place. Sabi niya, very, very far na daw. Nag-cross na kami ng bridge. Tapos sabi niya, paano yan? Wala nang songteo, wala nang jeepney na babalik papunta dun sa place ko. I was going, oh no, what shall I do? What shall I do now? And you know what? That lady is very, very kind. She was very kind. She said, you know what? I was supposed to go to school and she has class. And she said, but never mind. Let's go to my apartment. Let's drop now. Let's stop here. And let's go to my apartment and we will get my motorbike and I will send you there. Grabe, ang bait-bait talaga nun. Sabi ko, I didn't expect na there's someone Saudi ka. Okay there's someone who is willing to give up her classes, who's willing to there is someone na willing mag-absent, na willing magtulong sa isang stranger, 'di ba? Parang at saka wala talaga akong kilala sa kanila doon. Very strange nga kasi nag-volunteer siya at saka ang iniisip ko noon, hala, totoo ba talaga to? Tutulong ba talaga to? Or baka dadalhin ako sa ibang lugar? Ang sama-sama ko no, nag-iisip ako ng mga ganoon. At saka maganda naman pala yung motive niya, pero ganun pa man, I said, yes, will you please send me? And then we stopped the jeepney and then we went to her apartment. Pagdating namin sa apartment niya, kinuha niya yung motorbike niya. At sabi niya, sige, I think I know where the park. Ito yung park na sinasabi ko sa kanya eh. Malapit lang sa park yung bahay or apartment na tinitirahan ko. So sabi niya, I think I know that park na sinasabi mo. At saka yung school kasi namin, my school is just in front of this park. It's just right there. And I said, that is my school. And I said to her, my school is this. I told her the name of the school that is very close to the park, and she said, I think I know that place, so I will send you there. She is very, very kind, mga kaibigan. Oh my gosh, I cannot forget that girl. And alam mo ba na dinala niya talaga ako. Sabi ko, kahit I had doubts na dadalhin niya ako sa place ko, pero dinala niya talaga ako. Very, very mabait. Ay, nako. There are so many good stories that I could tell you about this beautiful country. Yes. Kaya it pays to be kind, you know? At saka that girl, I wish her well. And I think friends kami sa Facebook ngayon. Pero hindi na kami nagkita ulit. Sa Facebook lang kami nagkikita. 'Di ba? Ang bait ng mga tao dito. At saka first month ko kasi yun dito, kaya hindi ko makalimutan yun. Yun yung first experience ko na nawawala ko. Na I was very scared. Terrified talaga ako na nawawala ko. So, kahit saan mang lugar, meron namang mababait, merong masasamang tao, hindi natin alam. Pero, if you have the chance to be kind to other people, please do so. Let's be kind. Let's make this world a better place to live. Bibihira na lang ang mga mababait na tao dito sa mundo natin. If you have the chance to be kind, and if you have the chance to help, please help. Don't hesitate to help. Even if you don't know that you will get something in return, don't expect something in return. And that girl, I can never forget her, and I wish her well. And also, amigas and amigos, this world is very chaotic already. This world needs love, and this world needs you. Let's make it a happy place, and let's make it a good place for us to live in. Huwag mag-aatubiling tumulong, kasi I believe in good karma. This is it. I think this is very mahaba na video na. So ngayon, ako ay magpapaalam at see you in my next one. Bye-bye!